back with the Christmas song, also known as Chestnuts Roasting Over an Open Fire. Well, Merry Christmas, everyone. There it is. So sweet. All right, so we're going to have a look at the first bit here on YouTube, and the rest of it will be on the website. You can try it out for free and finish the piece. Subscribe if you think I've earned it. Leave a comment. Okay, so let's start off with this little run up to the top. This is actually not as tricky as it might seem. We'll start with the right hand, obviously, with the 1 on C. Now this is the patterning. So what you have next, the next 3 notes are 2, 3, 4, right? So C, 2, 3, 4. Then you move over to A with your thumb, and then the same 2, 3, 4. And then over again, A with the thumb, and then again 2, 3, 4, and the last note is an A by himself. Right, so there's a lot of repetition here too. Moving on to the next little section, the actual melody. Let's do with the left hand first. So what do we have? We have F major. Which fingering would I use? That's actually pretty good. I think I tend to play it with 5, 2, and 1, but playing it with 5, 3, and 1 is actually a good idea too. That's the first section. Then, so that's 5, 3, and 1. So we're just looking at the left hand here. The right hand is there just for context. Moving on to the next bar, we get this descending chordal passage. So we have, then move everything down. Notice the B flat here, and then all white notes. Same fingering, 1, 2, 4, and 5. All right, let's do the next. Should I do more? No, let's do the right hand first. Yeah, let's do that first. So we start off with a C on the thumb, and then an F up here. 4th finger. Lift. Whoops. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of these notes. And then 3 A's. It's pretty intuitive actually, isn't it? 4, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 2, 2, 2. Cool. Moving on to the next 2 bars. And we'll do this is just for notes. We'll do the rhythm in a bit. So let's do this first. Next part. Very similar. Some different harmony here. Left hand first. We have again, same beginning. 5, 3, and 1. Next, we got a chord, 5, 2, 1. And then a 3 and 1. So 5, 3, 1. and 3. Next bar. So that's 5, 1. 5 on C, 1 again. 5 on B. Hold for a bit longer, and B flat with your 4th. Cool. All right, now the right hand here would be a lot of similarities, right? We start off with the same 2 notes, except this C is going to be a little bit longer, but we'll look at that in a moment. 4, again, same beginning. Now instead of starting on F and descending, it'll be on D. And then same descent here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Across your thumb to 2 and 4. Like that. So, both hands. Now moving on to this. 5 and 1. 4. And then 4 and 1. And then 1, 3. C to F. So there are your notes. We have the left and the right hands separately finished, at least note-wise. So let's do the rhythm now. So from the beginning of this whole section where the hands come in, because this bit, it's just a string of 16th notes. Now, left hand first with counting. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Moving on to the next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right. You can rewatch each of these little sections if necessary, if you can't catch it on the first go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and all of that with no pausing. Nice and slow. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. All right, same thing, the right hand. So the first note is a pickup, so we're not going to count that. We're going to start the counting from F. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Next bar. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Just notice that little bit. You have one single note that actually misaligns with what I'm saying. So the C that I just finished on, or second last note for the note I finished on, it's between what is said. It's between the end of 4 and 1. 4 and 1, like that. So let me just do that bar once more. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. From the beginning of this whole thing with counting, no pausing. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and. just put it together. If you have the counts down, I don't see any reason why you can't start putting it together right away, because both hands match the counting. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1. Cool. That's the first 4 bars. We'll finish this on the next section of this tutorial on the website. And I'll see you on there. All right, take care.